Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer, and in today's video, we're gonna discuss surprising signs of thyroid problems. So let's get started. Your thyroid regulates your metabolism, and the thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland. It is located here, the front of your neck, and the classic signs of thyroid issues include an overactive thyroid, which is called hyperthyroidism. That means you're gonna be sweating a lot more, you will feel hot, you will lose weight, your heart will beat a lot faster. If you have hypothyroidism, which is when your thyroid is sluggish, you can expect to feel cold, you may gain weight, and you will have a slower heartbeat. But today we're going to talk about the surprising signs, the things that you may not conventionally know that are actually related to thyroid imbalances. So let's get into it. The number one sign that is not obvious that you have a thyroid issue is a brain fog. If you find that it is harder to concentrate, if you are experiencing poor memory and you're having a hard time thinking clearly, I strongly urge you to get your thyroid checked because they are directly related. Number two, the next sign that is surprising that your thyroid may be acting up is mood changes. So depression is very real if any of you guys have ever experienced it. However, it can actually be directly related to your thyroid. So depression is often the first sign of a thyroid problem. It is very, very important to acknowledge it. Now, the next sign that is not as obvious that you may be having a thyroid issue is dry, thinning hair. The next sign is puffy face and puffy eyes. The next one is if you're experiencing dry skin and your eyes just feel very, very dry. And the next one is irregular period. Another one is you're dealing with weight gain. Next one is muscle aches. Muscle aches can definitely indicate a thyroid issue. I'm not talking muscle soreness. I'm talking an achy fatigue that just doesn't seem to go away no matter how long you sleep or no matter how much you rest up. No matter how many massages you get, no matter how many trips you go to the chiropractor, if your muscles are still really, really achy, that is definitely a sign. As well as extremities with feeling cold in your hands, in your feet, maybe your ears, maybe your head. So these are the things you want to look out for. Again, now when you want to get this stuff tested, you want a thyroid panel, you want your T3, your T4, and your TSH evaluated. Now, if any of you guys have this lab work done and you don't understand it, and you're not sure if this indicates whether or not you have an issue with your thyroid and what you should do, you guys are welcome to message me over on Instagram at gaugegirltraining. I'd be happy to look at your labs as well as discuss with you what protocol would be most appropriate to getting your thyroid functioning healthy again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.